Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a true X33 D80 Z28, bought here locally. Gentleman's owned this car for 30 years. Very cool car, factory Fathom green, factory midnight green interior. Again, previous owners had this car for 30 years. It is a little bit of an older restoration with a fresh 3.3 stroker engine that's supposed to be 495 horse, and I'll tell you what, this thing eats. This car will absolutely fly. Pretty paint, good solid straight body. Like I say, just a good car. Muncie 4-speed, 12-bolt 373 posi. I apologize about it. It's gotten dusty. They just mowed the lawn next door, and boy, they were slinging everything everywhere, so it's going to have a little dust on it. But super cool car, man. 15-inch rally wheels. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Like I say, just a good car. Again, you can nitpick a little, a few little things about this car. The paint on it is like 15 years old. Still very nice. You can see it's got the front and rear spoilers. A couple little marks in the chrome. It's got the white Z stripes. Of course, you got your cowl hood. It's all standard stuff. Yeah, again, guys, it's gotten dusty out here, but not much we can do right now. Like I say, they just breezed by to mow the lawn. Pretty paint though. Like I say, super cool car. Factory X33Z. Again, when we fire this thing up, man, this thing will run. Blemishes there. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Stock rallies with the top hats. You see the traction bars underneath it. Car does have front disc brakes. Let me share. Yeah, not the original engine, guys. It's a 3.3 stroker motor. It's got Iron Eagle heads with roller rockers. Again, 495 horse. Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock aluminum intake. Header. Power steering, power front disc brakes. MSD 6A box on it. It's got a Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Chrome air cleaner with a finned aluminum valve covers. Got an MSD coil on it. It's got some billet pulleys with a flex fan. Not real sure what that is. A little bug or something, guys. Pretty car though. Number one ordered color in 68, 69 is green. I know that because my dad bought a 68 GTO brand new in this same color combo. Stone peck there. They definitely replaced those door rubbers. That could be the original carpet, guys. I think a lot of this interior is actually original. It's got all the right seat belts in it. Sport steering wheel. It's got 70,000 original miles on this car. I did not like this. Put an aftermarket gauge in it, but factory tach and gauge car. but he's actually got the tach. He's running off there. He's got an aftermarket radio with remote, Hurst shifter. Like I say, Muncie 4-speed, 12-bolt 373 posi with, it's got the traction bars on it. And I'll tell you what, when you dump the clutch, you better hold on. This thing rocks. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. It's clean underneath. Some little door rubber there. You know, I saw this when I was taking a picture. I'm going to have to see if the guys can stretch that car. I think this is original carpet, guys. Again, all the correct seat belts and everything in it. Definitely replace the door handles. Got the 2 chrome mirrors. Yeah, this thing rocks, guys. Nice little cam to it. Well, these cars are just iconic, man. They just... Again, he's got the water temp gauge in there in the dash. I think the rest of the gauges all work. Jordy gets a
try the deal.
Temp gauge works, all that. I'm sorry, the oil pressure gauge works. The what do you call it's up there? The radio works. What about the blower motor, Jordan? Sounds like it's working. Yep. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Old Model A rolling down the road. That's a good looking car, man. A lot of traffic. Oh, it's starting to rain. I think it's starting to rain out here. I love that Fathom green. You're waiting for an opening, aren't you, Wood? I know what he's waiting for. Jordan likes his car. Oh, somebody's pulling out in front of him. Have a great day, guys.